Namaskar. Welcome to this edition of News Bulletin. In the headlines today, project undertaken by Udaya Quality Circle of Oxygen Plant enhances operational efficiency. Long Service Awards presented at HRD Center of SAIL RSP. And SAIL Hockey Academy team of Rourkela Steel Plant becomes the runners-up in Navbharat All India Level Hockey Tournament 2021.
Judicious use of natural resources can help reduce volume of generated waste, says Mr. Deepak Chatraj, CEO RSP, in National Seminar on Waste to Wealth. And Long Service Awards presented at Repair Shop Electrical Department.
Critical spares developed by engineering shops help SAIL RSP accrue substantial savings. And Long Service Awards presented at Structural and Fabrications Shops Department.
Now the news in detail. The creative ideas of the enterprising employees of Udaya Quality Circle of Rourkela Steel Plant's oxygen plant have helped in bringing about several benefits for the company, including operational efficiency. The team comprising Mr. G.C. Barbhuiya, MOMT, Mr. S.K. Patel, SOST, Mr. Upendra Maharana, MOMT, Mr. Lakshmidhar Baral, MOMT, Mr. Rabindra Narayan Nayak, MOMT, Mr. Niranjan Raut, ACT of Oxygen Plant, took up the project aimed at increasing reliability of cooling tower fans of Air Separation Unit number 1 and 2. The facilitator of the group was Mr. Ullas Kumar Bhujabal, Deputy General Manager, Oxygen Plant. It may be noted that cooling tower fans are used for cooling of hot water which comes from air separator unit during operational process. To cool hot water, 5 such tower fans of wooden structure have been installed, in which 4 fans run while 1 fan is kept as standby. The cooling water temperature has to be between 32 degree to 35 degrees centigrade. If cooling tower fans are not effective, the cooling water temperature increases gradually. These conditions have adverse impact on different processes and process parameters of oxygen plant. Earlier, there used to be frequent breakdowns of CTFs due to wooden structure and imbalanced load distribution followed by vibration in cooling tower fans. For running the process smoothly, CTFs were to be repaired in priority basis. A thorough study helped the team to identify the root cause of the problem. Thereafter, it was planned to fabricate split-type support with existing structure. Accordingly, necessary equipment were arranged. All the spares and accessories were assembled using in-house resources. Because of the modifications, the cooling tower wooden structure is now less loaded and has to experience less vibration while working. Besides, effectiveness and reliability of cooling tower fans have increased. The project helped the team to bag Par Excellence Award in NCQC 2020 held recently. In a program organized at the HRD Center of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant on 20th February, Mrs. Rajeshri Banerjee, GM in charge HRD, presented the service certificates to Mr. Panchanan Parida, Senior Operative Support Service, for rendering 25 years of service to the company. The program was coordinated by Mr. Sanjeev Kumar Behra, Deputy Manager Personnel. It may be mentioned that around 900 employees, including executives, are eligible for the Long Service Award in RSP who have completed 25 years of service as on 31st December 2020. The award is presented every year. The company recognizes their contributions by presenting a certificate of recognition and a stainless steel dinner set as a token gift. In the prestigious Navbharat All India Level Hockey Tournament 2021, organized at State Sports Training Centre Academy, Bahatrai, Chhattisgarh, SAIL Hockey Academy team of Rourkela Steel Plant became the runners-up in the shootout session after giving a tough fight to Sports Hostel team from Bhubaneswar. At the closing ceremony held on 24th February, the runners-up team received a trophy and a cash award of Rs 51,000. The 10-day-long tournament was played in the famous AstroTurf ground of State Sports Training Centre, Bahatrai, Chhattisgarh from 15th to 24th February. In all, 16 teams participated in the tournament. Team SHA RSP reached the semi-final after beating the All India Central Secretariat team by 2-1. The final shootout score was 3-2. Tarun Yadav from SHA RSP was declared the man of the series and became the proud winner of a bike sponsored for the man of the series. The tournament was organized by the National Hindi Daily Navbharat in association with Sports and Youth Welfare Department of Raipur, Chhattisgarh Government and Dr. C.V. Raman University. At a function organized at Hockey Stadium Sector 6, Mr. A.K. Nayak, CGM, TA and CSR felicitated the team, urging them to keep up the sporting spirit and bring laurels for the company and city in the future. Present on the occasion were other senior officers and staff of the department. This felicitation event was coordinated by Mr. Raghu Nandan Padi, Assistant Manager, Sports.
Judicious use of natural resources can help reduce the volume of generated waste. Let's strive further to reduce energy consumption, which will help in achieving a corresponding drop in the usage of natural resources and thereby reserving them for the future generation, said Mr. Deepak Chatra, CEO, while inaugurating a national seminar on waste to wealth, effective utilization of solid waste of steel plants on 27 February 2021. The CEO was a chief guest in the seminar organized at Indo-German Club by Institution of Engineers, India, Rourkela Local Centre in association with SAIL, Rourkela Steel Plant. Mr. Pankaj Kumar, ED Projects with the additional charge of ED Works, RSP, and Professor Dr. Animesh Biswas, Director NIT, were a guest of honor, while Mr. SMR Prasad, former Vice President, Jindal Steelworks, JSW, was the keynote speaker. Many senior officers of RSP and SAIL officers of Pollution Control Board, delegates from different SAIL units and associated industries, and members of Institution of Engineers India, Rourkela Local Centre were present in the inaugural session. Deliberating further on the topic, the CEO said that technology-savvy steel and process industries have to focus on gainful utilization of solid, liquid and gaseous waste. We must activate the desired treatment facilities to facilitate reuse and recycle of effluent to achieve zero discharge consistently. Mr. Chatraj also expressed concern over the increasing generation of e-waste and emphasized upon reutilizing the components and elements by suitably recycling them for a greener earth. In his keynote address, Mr. Prasad elaborated on various forms of waste being generated from the steel plants. While highlighting the potential commercial utilization of the waste, he also deliberated on value addition to the waste, thereby increasing returns and its effect in reducing cost of production. He made a detailed presentation pertaining to transforming waste into wealth by gainfully utilizing them. Dr. Animesh Biswas in his address emphasized upon exploring every possible scientific method to find the suitable application of the waste, which has emerged as a major challenge. Speaking on the occasion, Mr. Pankaj Kumar stressed on finding cost-effective engineering solutions to gainfully utilize dust, slag, sludge and other waste of the steel industry. During the occasion, the CEO felicitated Dr. Biswas, Mr. Prasad, and Dr. S.K. Biswal, former Chief Scientist CSIR, for their contributions in the field of environment studies. Earlier, Mr. C.R. Mahapatra, CGM, MM and Marketing and Chairman, Institution of Engineers India, Rourkela Chapter, welcomed the gathering. Mr. Atish Chandra Sarkar, CGM, Utility and Environment, proposed a formal vote of thanks. Ms. Ankita Bilang, Deputy Manager, CP2, anchored the program. In a program organized at the Repair Shop Electrical Department of SAIL, RSP, on 22nd February, Mr. P.K. Das, GM in charge, Repair Shop Electrical, presented the service certificates to 11 employees for rendering 25 years of service to the company. The program was coordinated by Mr. Sanjeev Kumar Behra, Deputy Manager, Personnel. It may be mentioned that around 900 employees, including executives who have completed 25 years of service as on 31st December 2020, will be receiving long service awards like previous years. The company recognizes their contribution by presenting a certificate of recognition and a stainless steel dinner set as token gift of appreciation.
In a function organized at Shop's Mechanical Shop Department of SAIL, Rourkela Steel Plant, on 24th February 2021, Mr. Pankaj Kumar, ED Projects, with the additional charge of ED Works, handed over a critical spare developed by the engineering shops to an user department. The in-house developed segment lifting beam was handed over to Steel Melting Shop 2. Also present on the occasion were Mr. D. Datta, CGM HSM, Mr. A. V. Rajshekhar, CGM Mechanical, Mr. R. N. Rajendran, CGM Shops, Mr. Shekhar Narayan, GM in charge, Mechanical Shop, and other senior officers and employees of Mechanical Shop, Structural and Fabrication Shop, Foundries Shop. Speaking on the occasion, Mr. Kumar highly appreciated the efforts of the Shops Collective and exhorted upon the centralized maintenance units to come up to meet with the requirements of the plant. It is worth mentioning here that the engineering shops has been instrumental in developing many critical spares for different production departments, thereby bringing the company substantial tangible and intangible benefits. The Shops Collective has recently taken initiative in successfully developing a critical spare of SMS2, resulting in savings to the tune of Rs 42 lakh. It would have cost the company Rs 55 lakh if purchased from the market. Non-availability of the essential spares would have created serious problems for the SMS2. Hence, the Shops Collective took up the challenge of developing and reconditioning spares for SMS2 with the available technology and resources in addition to its regular jobs. It may be noted that segment lifting beam is one of the critical spares of caster of SMS2. On account of prolonged use of segment beam, various pins and plates were badly worn out. Availability of only one such beam in the department was hampering continuous operation of caster. This challenge was taken up by the Shops Collective. An action plan in consultation with SMS2 was chalked out with a view to sustain the process. Proper technical parameters were closely monitored during its built-up by Shops Collective. Machining was a challenging task as plates and pins need to be machined keeping reference to each other. This was maintained through the innovative ideas of Mechanical Shop Collective through adaptation of different machining method. The new development of segments of lifting beam has been carried out in nearly 180 days. Around 7 lakhs was spent towards consumables and machining cost, thus making a saving of around Rs 42 lakhs. In a program organized at the Structural and Fabrications Shops Department of SAIL RSP on 22nd February, Mr. S. C. Sabath, GM Structural and Fabrication, presented the long service certificates to 22 employees for rendering 25 years of service to the company. The program was coordinated by Mr. Sanjeev Kumar Behra, Deputy Manager Personnel. It may be mentioned that around 900 employees, including executives, who have completed 25 years of service as on 31st December 2020, will be receiving long service awards like previous years. The company recognizes their contribution by presenting a certificate of recognition and a stainless steel dinner set as token gift of appreciation. And that's all for now. Namaskar.